you going, Luke? Luke, come on. Come on. Come on, you. Yeah. Look at you, regular mountain climber, huh? Sit. Come here, Luke. Give. Give. Luke, no. Give. No. Sit. Give. No. Luke. I said give. Sit. Are you ready? No. No. Stop. Come here, Brody. Ready? That was kind of a lopsided one. Ooh! Come on, Luke. Good boy, Brody. Good boy. There you go. Good boys. Looks like we found a pair of binoculars. What are you doing, baby? Good boy, Brody. Good boy. Come here. That's a good boy. Good boy. Luke. Just wants to be like him.